I cannot say how impressed I am with Orec equipment. We have had volunteers who've never seen it before come in and use every single piece that you've seen. They've learned easily and quickly. They've been able to operate it safely with no issue. They've been able to accomplish the job that was set before them. It's been a wonderful experience. I highly recommend the equipment to you. When I saw all of the equipment lined up that first day, and I thought, that's small stuff. I'm sorry, I'm a farmer. That's small equipment, but it's tough. It is really tough, and it accomplished jobs that our big equipment does, but it was able to do it in small, tight spaces. It didn't stutter at all. It's commercial grade every inch of the way. I'd recommend it to you highly.